Howdy folks, thanks for tuning in. You're watching a video of a 2005 Alfa See Ya fifth wheel here at Nelson RV at 4060 North Flowing Wells in Tucson, Arizona. This is a nice 3-slide 2005 model. Nice and spacious. It is a 4-season coach. Super insulated. Got a lot of cargo space. It's got a front end cap that flips up, if you notice there by the arms. That front cap will flip up and reveal a bedroom window. It's a really nice feature to that. Has a manual awning. This model is a SYF30RLIK. If you want to see this, learn more about it, give us a call at 520-293-1010. Come see us in person at 4060 North Flowing Wells Road, Tucson, Arizona. You can also feel free to call or text sales at 520-512-8171. Thank you for watching and happy RVing.